Good morning, everyone. So today we are going to discuss about the engineering mechanics, the unit number one problems, the coplanar concurrent force problems. Okay, so the problems given: determine the resultant of coplanar forces acting at the point O. So in figure. Okay, so diagram given the problems. So four coplanar concurrent forces acting at the point. The diagram given. The first forces, the 150 Newton acting at 30 degrees. The first quadrants. So second quadrants, the 200 newtons that acting at the 30 degrees. 30 degrees, and third quadrant, so acting at the 80 Newton forces the angle of 60 degrees. The fourth quadrant, so angle 180 newtons and the angle of 45 degrees. So the given problems, so four forces acting at the particular point. So first step, given data. So first write on the force 150 Newton and the angle 30 degrees. So force 200 Newton, the angle 30 degrees. So F3 equal to 80 Newton and Q3 equal to 60 Newtons, and F4 equal to 180 Newton and Q4 equal to 45 Newton. So first of all, first step you write on the given data. So then second step, first step, to draw the pre-body diagram. Pre-body diagram. So draw the given diagram. So for first force 150 Newton cos 30 degrees horizontal axis. So horizontal axis, you can draw the horizontals. Then 150 into sin 30 acting upwards the positive directions. Okay. Then same 200 Newton acting upwards na sin theta, acting downwards na 200 in cos theta. So then you will draw them simultaneously. You draw the four forces, the pre-body diagram, the first step of the problems. So once the pre-body diagram completed, no, then you can those. So graph sheet x-axis and x-. So x-axis the positive direction, first quadrant the positive direction, the opposite negative, second quadrant x-axis negative direction the minus. Okay, so first steps 2, you can find out the sum of the horizontal forces, horizontal. So all horizontal forces are resolved. All horizontal forces to resolving. Okay, so first forces 150 cos 30 reacting at the horizontal forces are positive. Then 180 cos 45 reacting at the horizontal forces in the x-axis. So positive, plus. Then again bar 200 cos, so opposite direction. So x opposite direction. So minus 200 cos 30. Then and 80 cos 60 acting at the opposite direction. So minus. So see the symbols. The sigma h equal to 0 equal to plus symbol towards right, left side minus, right side plus, left side minus. So first 2 theta the positive, then another 200 cos 30 and 80 cos 30 minus. So resolving this all the forces, first one the 150 cos theta is the answer 129.9. So 180 cos 45 the answer the 127. Then அடுத்தது minus 200 in cos 30 minus 40, then minus 80 into cos 30 minus 173. So you can find this sum of 43.56 Newton. Some horizontal forces is to find out the 43 into 56, this positive directions. So draw the right to right directions. Okay, then third step, so to find the vertical forces, all the vertical forces. So see the sum of vertical forces equal to 0. The upward direction plus the downward direction is the minus, the sign symbol. So see this diagram. So upward now 150 sin 30 and 200 sin 30. So there are two forces acting in the upwards, the plus symbol. So two forces acting in the downward directions, 180 sin 45 and 80 sin 60. So they acting at the downward side. So y power my axis downward direction. So put minus. So same step 3, 150 sin plus 200 sin 30 plus, so minus 80 into sin 60 minus 180 into sin 45. So 150 sin 30 now 75 or 200 sin 30 now 100, the minus 69, and resolving this force now sum of horizontal forces equal to minus 21.56. So the acting downward resistance. So sum of H equal to 4350, no, the acting positive direction. So sum of V equal to acting downward direction. Suppose it can plus 2150, no, is acting upward direction. Okay. Then step 4, magnitude of resultant forces. So sum of R equal to root of sum of H squared equal to sum of V squared. So resolving this vertical force and horizontal force, you can find R equal to 48.97 Newton. So resultant forces value is 48.97. Step 3, direction of resultant force. So tan theta equal to sum of vertical force divided by sum of horizontal force. So theta equal to tan inverse sum of vertical force divided by sum of horizontal force. Okay. So theta equal to 20 degrees 0.1 degrees. So the magnitude force, the direction the 20 degrees 26.12 degrees acting. So next result. So result R equal to 48.97 and the theta equal to 26. So result means, so sum of V sum of H equal to 43 degrees plus direction. So draw the diagram in the positive direction. Then the sum of V equal to downward direction. So draw the downward sides. So minus na downwards, plus na upward direction. So the resultant angle equal to 26.3. So the angle of resultant force is 26.12. So R equal to 48.97 newtons. This is the one problem. Okay, we will discuss about the next problem. We will next classes. Thank you.